What if you could design faster, think bigger, and take your creativity to places you never imagined? Hi, I'm Moshe Katz, and welcome to Designing with AI, a new era for architects and designers. Artificial intelligence is transforming every industry, and architecture and design are no exception. But let's be clear, AI isn't here to replace creativity, it's here to expand it. This course isn't about shortcuts. It's about learning how to collaborate with AI, using it to refine ideas, speed up your process, and unlock new creative possibilities. We'll begin by looking at how AI can generate ideas, develop concepts, and enhance your designs without replacing your artistic voice. You'll learn how to integrate AI into your workflow, from sketches to 3D models, making sure that every AI-assisted creation reflects your own vision. Then we'll bridge the gap between hand sketching and AI-generated visuals. You'll see how to transform rough ideas into polished, professional images while keeping the soul of your deep design intact. We'll explore digital sketching, collage techniques, renders, and AI-enhanced exterior and interior learning, how to control textures, lighting, and composition in ways that elevate your work. But we won't stop there. We'll push further into AI-powered furniture and lighting design, architectural elements, and advanced post-production techniques. You'll learn how to turn abstract concepts into fully realized visuals, and even bring them to life with AI-powered animation for dynamic presentation and teasers videos. You'll know how to integrate AI into your workflow while staying in control of your artistic identity. Whether you're an architect, designer, or a creative thinker, you'll walk away with a bold, limitless approach to design. If you're ready to push boundaries and redefine your creative process, let's begin.